with another video. So today I'm trying something new again. Today I'm using two separate cameras to film my videos. So what I'm gonna do today is one of my pencil drawings onto a canvas board. So as you can see now, the image is too big, so I will have to cut out pieces of the top in order to get it to fit the board. So I get the scissors and I make the cuts and stuff and adjust it where it can fit. So as you can see there, I will be using acrylic paint. I have my brushes and the water out. I will be using my craft brushes. So you know, on the other side, you know I'm going to be using some stencils. So I'm just kind of going to be going back and forth for you to get a different angle to see how I do things that don't necessarily end up on camera when I film it the other way. So there I have it all set. So I'm gonna see what I think I'm gonna try and use some stencils now. And I decided to wear my apron today because I always manage to get paint on my clothes and I need to stop that. So okay, I gotta choose I'm choosing a stencil in a minute. These are all the little parts that you never really see. So I'm trying to get the stencil that I want to use, and there it is. So now I'm going to give you a closer look at how I decorate this canvas board. So I decided to use some kind of light pastel colors on this one. So I think I used some yellow, some red, some blue, I think, some different colors. You'll see from this next segment. Doesn't that look good? I love how that looks. And that's one thing I gotta get in the habit of doing, is cleaning off my stencils. I don't always do that and they're starting to look very dirty. So I think one day I'll just take them all and scrub them out in my sink and get them nice and clean, only to get them dirty again. Or maybe I got a little bit of OCD going on. I hate to have things in a disarray and looking dirty. So I might just do that maybe over the weekend when I need something extra to do. So I think this is like a lilac color I'm using here. And then I think this is blue that I'm about to use, although I think it ended up looking kind of green, but it is in fact blue. It is blue, although like I said, it ended up looking like green. I don't know, for some reason I tend to get very sleepy when I'm doing my voiceovers. I don't know what that's about. But if you hear me yawning in the background, please excuse me. I'm trying. I don't know where this is coming from. So yeah, so then I think that was like a dark purple. So I'm trying to make sure I have a different brush for each color, because I don't want them to blend into each other and then give a totally different color and never the color that you really want. So now I'm using some pink. I believe that's pink. Yeah, that's the light pink. Now I'm gonna use some red to put some red flowers in there. Here you go. So I thought that looked pretty okay. So then I outlined the outside, I believe. I outlined the outside of the canvas board with red, seeing that the red flowers are so dominant. There you go. So that's how I prepared the canvas before I put the pencil drawing on there. So now I'm going to work on gluing. See, I'm going to work on using some gel. I use gel medium to stick my my stuff onto the boards because I tried using regular paper glue and it wouldn't stick on the, I guess because the paint is already on the canvas board. I don't know, but I have to use gel medium to do this part of the process, I should say. So see, I had to like press it down to make sure that it stuck to the canvas board. And this drawing, you guys, was one of the first set of drawings I did when I first started drawing and trying to be an artist. So I've saved them. So I said, well, what can I do with them? So that's why I decided to cut them out, use my craft knife and cut them out and use them on a different piece. So okay, it's stuck on the board now. So now I wanted to put some colors on it. I'm not gonna put colors on the face and stuff, on the beard, but I'm gonna give him like a hat and a colored shirt. So I'm trying to decide now what colors I should use. So there it is. See how good it looks on with the background. So now I decided I'm gonna give him a green hat, because for some reason that darker shade of that stencil, it looks green, but it's really blue. So I'm not sure why I'm getting this green color look from it. But anyway, so I gave him a green hat. Which I thought, looked pretty okay to me. Yeah, so he's got a green beret on. So I think I'm gonna give him a two different colors I'm gonna use on his shirt. I think that green looks pretty good. So there you see it from afar. So I'm gonna use orange and blue for his shirt, just because I wanted to use some bright colors, for no other reason but that. So sometimes it takes me a minute to figure out what colors I want to use. So what I want to start doing now, before I even start the thing, I want to choose the colors that I want and have them there. But what happens is sometimes you use a color and then you look and you see, no, it's not really going to go with the other color I choose. So then I got to go look for something different. So that doesn't always work, but I figure maybe it might work 50% of the time, which will save me time. So I will continue to do it. Yeah, so with acrylic paint, when you have small spaces to put it in, you really got to take your time and make sure you stay within the lines and you don't, smear stuff into a different area, because in a case like this, it would be very hard to clean up. So I have to take my time and pay attention to the detail to make sure I get it right. I hope this thing with using 2 separate cameras, I hope it's helping you guys. It feels a little bit different. I think I just have to work on my lighting from this angle, because from the other angle it's pretty good. The video from the other angle is very bright and clear, but I don't know if maybe the lights are too high up in the air. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna keep playing with it until I get it right. So there I go. I got blue. So I'm going to use blue on the lower half of the shirt. Okay, so we're on to the final stage. I'll show you again how we did the blue. And, just take your time and do it. And then what I did at the end, I outlined the frame of the person so that it kind of stand out from the background. So anyway, guys, we're almost to the end of this video. I hope it didn't seem too long, but I wanted to show you exactly what my process was, or my process is, I should say, to do these pieces. So anyway, guys, remember I do post every Tuesday and I post every Saturday. So any of those 2 days you can, hit the notification button and you'll get a notification saying that I have this video out. Okay, so you guys, I'm so glad you tuned in. So don't forget to like and subscribe, share with someone, and keep coming back. And don't forget to hit the like button. I want y'all, when you watch the videos, if you like the video, hit the like button and leave a comment. That would be even better if you leave a comment. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. So please stay till the end of the video. It's almost done, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, now bye now.